So I'm going to show you some basic usage of the pyrobodesk manager. So we have the package installed with pip already. Let's see a brief of the commands. So there is a record function, a play function, and the various utility functions. So let's actually do something really easy. Let's record a function that gets the weather online. So let's suppose that there is no API to get that, so we have to do it through the browser. And then we're going to get the temperature for a given city, and then we are going to compute that using the calculator app from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's first record the weather function. So it's really easy. We just use R and we give a name of the function. Let's say get weather. Okay. So now we are recording. Okay. Let's open a tab. Now we are going to do it manually, and this gets recorded and parameterized. So that's what's happening right now behind the scenes. And then we'll extract information. Now we want to parameterize the city, so we're going to click escape input because we want an input here. And if we go back to the terminal, you see it asks for a variable name. Let's say city. And we're going to ask for an example value. Let's say we search for Cluj right now. Enter. Okay, we click here. We click paste. We already have this. Let's choose the first option from the menu. Let's wait for the ads to load. Bloody ads. They don't want to load right now. Well, that's pretty nasty. Well, anyhow, maybe we won't get any ads, so we'll click this, copy, and we want to mark this as an output variable, so we click control, we click escape O, we go here, and let's say the output is temperature. And we are pretty much done, so we can close this and click escape to finish. Okay, and now we have escaped. Let's list the functions that we have. So now we have this get weather function, and it has the input city and as output a temperature. Let's actually test it. So P from play, get weather. Enter. Okay, so this is normal. It says that input city is required as an argument. So we have to input the argument. It's with key value pair format. So we could say let's find it for Bucharest, or I don't know, Paris. So if we had different multiple inputs, we would have maybe I don't know, what should I put here? Yes, variable 2, value 2, etc. But we only city is required. So let's play. Enter, and let's see what it does. So now it's fully autonomous. We're just watching it do its thing. Of course, we could choose a higher than 1 speed rate, but not right now. It's doing it as fast as a human would, so it's pure real time. Okay, And now instead of pasting whatever we had in the clipboard, it should automatically use the input parameter. Yep, first option. Well, now we have the weather, so it will get confused. Let's just scroll a little bit. I just scroll manually. No, 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 bloody ad. Oh, okay, it got it. Yeah, so it copied it. And I think it should just close it now. And I think it's done. Let's go back to the terminal and see. Okay, so this is the output. So it has read the output as temperature 18. Good, so it's working. Let's do it now for the calculator app. So let's record calc Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so enter. Good. Let's select the calculator app now. Okay, we empty anything. So now let's select our input variable. Control E. Okay, we could just name it, you know, T C. Yeah, and let's put the default value of whatever 1. Oh, okay, it doesn't allow me. Yeah, this is tricky now. Well, let's just do this. Control C. And we just skip. Yeah. So paste. No, wait. No. No, I screwed up. Okay, so now I just click Control C and cancel everything and do it again. So let's record again. Okay. Let's select the calculator app. Mark our input variable TC. No example value. It's all right. Okay, we delete, we paste. So the formula is multiply by 9, divide by 5, and add 32. So that's it. Click here, Control C to copy, and we mark this as an output variable. So Control O, Escape O, and now this would be TF. Yes. Okay, and I think we're good to go. Back to this, escape, finish. Good, so let's list this now. We have this function with input TF, output. Okay, so let's actually test it now. Let's actually test it. let's play the calc Celsius to Fahrenheit. We need input. TC, let's say for 0 degrees. Error. Okay, I misspelled. Celsius. Okay. So now it's doing its thing. Selecting the calculator app. We put 0. Well, okay, maybe this is not the best example. It doesn't prove the fact that, okay, so let's go back here, Control C, we cancel. Let's use a different number. Let's see for 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let's do this now. 18. We let it do its thing now. So cleared. It pasted 18, and now it's autonomously doing the computation. So it's 64.4, but yeah, we will get it. We will get it in the terminal. There is no need to interpret the screen. Clear, and I'm just gonna close it. Yeah. Okay, so this is the output of the function. Again, the dictionary key TF, the output 64.4. Good, so now let's actually write a function that would combine these. So now we cannot do it with using just the CLI, so let's go to the code. Let's instantiate a function manager. So this is the one we call through CLI. We give the default path. It's where it actually stores the functions, because these functions, they're stored as files, so we can list them like this. Pyrobodesk functions, so they are all here. It's a couple of kilobytes because they record every key and mouse location. Okay, so let's load these functions now, and we do this with manager load functions, and now they are available as this is the black magic that happens in here. So of course autocomplete won't be able to help us here because this happens at runtime, so this is not static. It cannot be done statically. But now, okay, so let's get weather. So weather manager, get weather for what? Well, this has an input, so city, London. Okay, now we use Fahrenheit, so let's say New York. Yeah, good. And what we have now is a dictionary. Let's say, does it detect the type from this? Okay, it doesn't. Yeah, this is a dictionary of string to string mapping. Let's call the other function now. So manager manager calc Celsius to Fahrenheit PC weather TC, and we'll get an output. Let's parameterize this. Output df city. Okay, so that's all. This is the automation function that we wrote. So let's see how it plays together. We call it oh well, where is it? It's in examples. Yeah, okay. Python 3 pyrobodesk. No, it's not there. Wait. Yeah, you know, I actually haven't tested this before, so there might be some errors. But let's run it. Get weather. No, why not? Get weather. Load functions manager get weather. Yeah. What do we mean? It doesn't have them. Attribute get weather. Yeah, okay. I think this black magic, there is a bug in it. So let's just use play. Okay, so it's less convenient, but it should work exactly the same. So manager play get weather city equals city. Yeah. And the output here. So it's fixed the problems. Basically, the pickling and unpickling needs to be patched because it doesn't find the context. So with this line, we fixed it temporarily. And also there was another small problem here. Should be temperature instead of TC because that's the output that the weather dictionary has. So let's try to run this together now and see how it goes. So fully autonomous mode right now. All right. Yeah, we get the ads now. So this is one small disadvantage. Now we need to manually scroll, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, okay. Handed back control. Right, so we're done taking that temperature, and next we should put that into the calculator. $13, okay. And that's it. 55.4. And I think it's done now. Oh no, I don't remember what I did at the end. Yeah, a little cleanup. Okay, I think it's done. Let's have a look. Okay, so the output. There are 55.4 degrees Fahrenheit in New York. So our automation function worked. Let's see, is it correct? We go to the weather. Ah, too much time. Yeah, never mind. This is it.